हरियाणा पीसीएस के क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं जो मेंस में आए हैं 2003 क्वेश्चन पेपर। इसमें क्या कौन कौन से आए हैं देख लेते हैं। द एक्सटेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अटेम्प्ट एनी 5 क्वेश्चंस, ऑल क्वेश्चंस कैरी इक्वल मार्क्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज कंपल्सरी। आंसर 2 questions from part 1 and 2 questions from part 2. Okay, the parts of the same question must be answered together and must not be interposed between answers to other questions. First is write critical notes on any 4 of the following. First, the extent of the हड़प्पा कल्चर, आपको हड़प्पा कल्चर के बारे में बताना है। a critical appraisal of the Rajput policy of Akbar. Okay, local self-government under the Cholas. Okay, British economic policies and their impact. Social basis of Indian nationalism, rise and growth of communalism. Discuss the causes of the decline of the Harappa culture. Bring out the salient features of the Dhamma of Ashoka. What measure did he adopt for its propagation? Write a detailed note on the Bhakti movement. Did it achieve the desired goal? Discuss the causes of the success of East India Company. Was it accident or design? Bring out the salient features of 19th century Renaissance. Did it lead to national awakening? Give a critical appraisal of the role of Mahatma Gandhi in the freedom struggle of India. Fine. अब हम 2004 का मेंस का पेपर देखते हैं। इंडियन हिस्ट्री का अटेम्प्ट 5 questions in all questions carry equal mark. Question number 1 is compulsory. Answer 2 questions from part 1 and 2 questions from part 2. The parts of the same question must be answered together and must not be imposed between answers to other questions, right? तो पहला है write critical notes on any 4 of the following. कौन कौन से हैं? Society as depicted in the Rig Veda, the contributions of Rashtrakutas to art and culture, salient features of Mughal administration, right? D. Evolution of British paramountcy over Indian states, role of Christian missions in Bengal, constitutional development during the British rule in India. Part 1. Bring out the salient features of Harappan religion. Was it a linear progenitor of historical Hinduism? Next question is write a detailed note on the Pallava art. Fourth, discuss the causes for the disintegration of the Mughal Empire. Part 2. Fifth, discuss the causes and impact of the revolt of 1857. Can it be called the War for Independence? Sixth, analyze the origins and objects of the Indian National Congress. Why did it fail to satisfy the extremists? Next question, review the educational policy of the East India Company. Was it designed to serve the imperial interest of the Great Britain? Fine. अब 2009 का देख लेते हैं इंडियन हिस्ट्री का पेपर। राइट नोट्स ऑन एनी 4 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. रूल ऑफ इंडो-ग्रीक्स, अलाउद्दीन खिलजी's economic regulations, Shivaji as a great constructive genius and nation builder, British land revenue systems, peasant revolts in modern India, Indian National Army. पार्ट 1 में क्वेश्चंस पढ़ लेते हैं। Estimate the importance of Ashoka in Indian history. Was he responsible for the disintegration of Maurya Empire? Next is discuss the developments in the field of literature, art and religion in the Gupta age. Next is give an account of the rise and fall of the Vijayanagara Empire along with silent features of its administration. Next is part 2. Wellesley transformed English state into an empire. Discuss. Critically evaluate the impact of British policies on Indian economy. Next, to what extent was the revolt of 1942 a spontaneous revolution? How did it affect the Indian freedom struggle, right? So, 2011 का इंडियन हिस्ट्री का मेंस का पेपर देख लेते हैं। Write critical notes on any 4 of the following. Alexander's invasion and its effects. Salient features of Gandhara art. Mughal Mansabdari system. Chauth and Sardeshmukhi. Khilafat movement. Muslim League. Part 1. Why is Ashoka considered to be a great emperor in Indian history? Ashoka. Give an account of the political condition and the administrative system during the Sultanate period. Akbar's liberal religious policy helped to improve his relations with Rajput. Discuss. पार्ट 2 में देख लेते हैं कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन है. गिवन एन आइडिया अबाउट द बिगनिंग एंड स्प्रेड ऑफ द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857. Discuss the rise and growth of extremism in the first decade of the 20th century. Critically analyze the main causes responsible for the partition of India in 1947. 2014 का मेंस का पेपर देख लेते हैं. Ashoka's policy, write notes on any four of the following. Ashoka's policy of Dhamma, Gandhara and Mathura schools of art, growth of feudalism in North America, 750 AD to 1280, market reforms of Alauddin Khilji and its impact, dual administration in Bengal 1765-1772 and its impact, national nature and limitations of Indian Renaissance of 19th century. Critically analyze the achievements of the Cholas in the field of economy, administration, military and culture. Discuss the contribution of the Bhakti and Sufi movements of the medieval India to the process of culture synthesis. Critically analyze the expansion of Maratha power under Peshwa Bajirao II. Do you think that the Maratha political structure under the Peshwas in the 18th century was semi-feudal? Give reasons for your आंसर्स. फाइन. अब आते हैं पार्ट 2 में. क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. व्हाट वर द कॉजेज ऑफ डी इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन अंडर द ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया? टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट वाज देयर अ पॉलिसी टू डेलिबरेटली डी इंडस्ट्रियलाइज इंडिया ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ गवर्नमेंट? डिस्कस द कॉजेज, स्प्रेड एंड पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ वेरियस सोशल ग्रुप्स इन द स्वदेशी मूवमेंट 1905 to 1917 of Bengal. Discuss the contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan to the Muslim reform movement in the 19th century. Okay. Do you think that he laid the foundation of Muslim communal politics of the 20th century? Give reasons. Fine. So this much. Thank you.